I made this app for tracking where I am in TV shows. It's called TV Next and is available at tvnext.app. It is free, has no adverts and no tracking. I made the app I wanted and I hope others might find it useful. It also has no social network integration, no constant prompts to rate shows and no AI recommendations. It's deliberately minimal. When you first launch the app, you can tap the demo mode button to get a sense of how it works. Leave demo mode and tap the plus to start adding the shows you are watching or want to watch. You can organize shows by tagging them, for example, as shows you are watching or shows you want to watch. You can choose a color to associate with each tag, as well as an icon. In the show list, you can choose whether or not to see tags, but more importantly, you can choose which tags to show as tabs in the main user interface using the icon you choose. You can also select the order of tags. So you essentially build the UI according to your preferences. If you don't want to, you don't have to create any tags or tabs. You can have a single, simple list. It's up to you. Swipe a show from the left to tag it. Swipe a show from the right to mark the latest episode as watched. Expand a show to see its season and individual episodes. You can tap a season to mark it as watched, and by default, if you mark an episode as watched, it will mark all previous episodes as watched too, but you can change this in settings. If you're already halfway through a show that you've just added, you can enable the setting that prompts you for the date when you mark the episode as watched. By default, shows are shown or ordered by most recently watched, but you can also sort by name if you prefer. You can also choose the level of detail you want to display in the list. I prefer to keep the list of shows minimal, but if you want, you can display a show's networks and tags and more. When you tap an episode, it shows a brief summary of the episode, but again, you can turn this off in settings. If you have Casey Liss's excellent call sheet app installed, then you can tap the link that is displayed to show the episode in call sheet, for example, to find out about a particular actor. Each day, the app makes a backup of the first time you launched the app that day. You can restore this backup in the import-export page, as well as importing from popular services such as Tracked and TV Time. Rest in peace. The native export from the app is simple text CSV, and which you can open in Excel or Numbers. The app supports phone widgets, so you can see what the next episode is of your favorite show and easily mark it as watched. There's also shortcut support. I've made a simple, minimal watch app that shows the next episode of each show and lets you mark it as watched. I also support complications on the watch. So that's it. TV Next is a simple, minimal app to help you keep track of what you're watching on TV. No AI, no rating, no social network, just your shows for you. Feel free to try it out at tvnext.app and let me know if anything doesn't work for you or if you have ideas for improvements. I'm Damien at tvnext.app. Thanks.